Welcome back to Skills to Income. I am your host Mohammad Altamash, and in today's episode, I am going to show you how I use ChatGPT and 11 Labs to go from idea to product to launch, all within one day. This isn't theory. I have built entire 499 rupees offers using just these two tools, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If you are ready to stop waiting and start shipping, this is for you. Why speed matters more than polish. Here's the truth: the faster you launch, the faster you learn. Most creators are stuck in perfection mode, but AI tools let us move quickly without compromising value. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm, outline, and script. I use 11 Labs to turn those scripts into pro level audio or guides. Together, they form a lean creation system. Let me show you how. Step 1: Idea mapping with ChatGPT. 30 minutes. Start with this ChatGPT prompt: give me 10 product ideas for a faceless content creator looking to monetize their skills. Pick one idea. For example, the faceless content monetization blueprint. Next, ask ChatGPT: create a product outline for this. Break it into 5 to 7 steps. Now ask it to write a short intro, each section in 200 to 300 words. Key takeaways: a closing CTA. Now you have a complete voice script or PDF guide done in under 1 hour. Step 2: turn script to voice product using 11 Labs. Next, I copy that script into 11 Labs using my cloned voice. You can create a 5-7 minute audio walkthrough, record your personal insights over slides or visuals, even generate narration for an entire mini course. Save that file as a digital audio training, a bonus voice companion to a PDF, a standalone voice product hosted in TagMango. This adds massive perceived value without recording anything manually. Step 3: visual plus delivery. Setup 1 to 2 hours. Now that you have your product content, it's time to package it. I use Canva to design a clean cover image for product mockups, Gumroad or Payhip to upload and price the product, Kit to write and automate the email delivery, TagMango if it includes access to a course or community price, it at 499 rupees, perfect for first time buyers. You now have a digital product, a delivery flow, a checkout link, all built without any complex tech. Step 4: quick launch content, 1 hour. Use ChatGPT again too. Write 3 reel scripts with hooks, pain points, and CTAs. Write 1 launch email for your kit list. Create captions, hashtags, and pinned comment text. Record the reels with Canva graphics, B-roll, your 11 Labs voiceover. This is enough to soft launch the product the same day. Step 5: automate plus repurpose. Now that your product is live, add it to your link in bio. Pin 1 reel to the top of your Instagram feed. Share it inside your TagMango community. Set it up as a lead product inside your welcome email from Kit Bonus. Use ChatGPT to turn your script into a blog post for SEO. Now you've built once and repurposed everywhere what you've created in one day. Let's recap. In under 24 hours, you now have 1. A digital product idea, 2. A full product script via ChatGPT, 3. A voiceover file created with 11 Labs, 4. A product hosted or upgraded inside TagMango 5, a cover image plus mockups via Canva 6, and email delivery flow with Kit 7, reels and email content to promote it, 8. A blog post for long-term visibility. That's a business system. Not just a product. Don't wait. Ship now. This is your sign. If you've been sitting on an idea, if you've been delaying because you don't know where to start, now you do. With ChatGPT and 11 Labs, you can turn ideas into income within a single day. No excuses. just execution. Thanks for listening to episode 22 of Skills to Income. If this inspired you to launch your next product, take action today. Screenshot this episode, post it on Instagram, and tag me. You can find the username is mentioned in the description. Next up, I'll break down the best-selling product formats for 499 rupees and how to choose the right one for your niche. Until then, stay consistent, stay curious, and always choose freedom.